Okay, so let's now solve our last question. So I've just figured out that I'll cover, I don't know if there will be a need, but I think I'll cover one part of integration, which is by parts, in another video. Yeah. So just figured out that we can solve 3 without deploying by parts, because by parts is a little bit challenging. So, but 3 we will still use substitution method. So like it just requires a little bit manipulation. Okay, so we x cos x dx. So this one we also use substitution. So substitution method. Okay, so how do we know also this one doesn't obey our earlier discussion to say we need to have powers of x. Let's say for example 5, meaning the other one has to be power 4, so that we subtract 5 minus 4, we have difference of 1. But this one also is a special case, same as the previous question I solved. Yeah, so let's see how to solve it. How do we solve it? So if you see, the one which is difficult to integrate here is this value here. So that's the one which we have to deal with. So you say u, this time we're not substituting, you're not saying u equals to sine 3 cubic, no. We just say u equals to sine x. Okay? U is equals to sine x. Same thing we say, we calculate du dx, we differentiate u with respect to x. So we have du over dx equals to, so if you differentiate sine is what? Cos x. Okay, that's cos x. Next, what do? For those who remember, you make dx subject of the formula, so you cross multiply this by this, du equals to cos x dx. So we are making dx subject, so we divide by cos x, so dx is equals to du over cos x. Okay, so now we substitute where there is dx, we substitute this, and also where there is sine, we substitute u. Okay, so let's rewrite our equation. So our equation was like this, so sine cos x dx. So now we've set x equal to u, so meaning it will be u power 3 since it's sine cubic. Okay, then cos x, and then where there is dx is a du over cos x. So this and this will cancel out. Integral u power 3 du. This becomes very easy now. We know x to the power n. If you are integrating, what do? You say x n plus 1 over n plus 1. Yeah, so we say u 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so equal to, so this will be u to the power 4 over 4 plus c. So now we know u, we know the value of u, so integral of sine to the power 3x cos x x, same as u. We know u is sine x to the power 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, so this is the same as sine power 4 of x over 4 plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. So if you've seen all these questions we've solved, most of them will be solving using substitution and quotient rule. Substitution and quotient rule. Okay, so this marks the end of this series from the questions I had selected. I will make more videos, so continue, invite your friends. If you have questions, write to me. You can call, you can write anything. You can comment on the videos. The question you finding difficult to solve, comment in the videos so that I can solve it for you. So thank you for watching and have a blessed day.